Frozen waterfalls in Hamilton, Ontario. Take 21. So we are in Hamilton, the city of waterfalls. There's about 100 waterfalls in the city. Here is the first waterfall. It's Princess Falls. Oh my gosh. And there's Hamilton. Oh my gosh. A little frozen stream here. Alright, well this is a cool waterfall. So this one is Mountain View Waterfall, I think. Up the mountain. This is the Cross of Lorraine, I think. That's really cool. Completely empty. This is a whole frozen area of ice. Let's find out if it's slippery. It's a little bit. It's good. Sorta. You good? Are you really slipping that much?
I was over there.
Oh. Too funny. Tunnel. Ooh, what's at the other end? Ooh, it echoes. Echo. Ooh. Ooh, here's a big waterfall. Wow. That's pretty. Part of it's frozen. And here, it's like levels. So awesome. Just climbed this whole mountain. I can't breathe, I'm so tired. What a workout. Come here, squirrel. Here's another waterfall, partially frozen, partially running. Looks really pretty. Okay, this is weird, but by the waterfall there's these set of stairs, which I guess at one point you were able to walk down, which was kind of terrifying because there's no railing. But look at this waterfall, it's all frozen. Here's the cross that we saw from the bottom. I found the golden ticket. Now we're on top of the waterfall. Alright, so we just did about an hour and a half hike. We saw 6 or 7 waterfalls, half frozen, half running water, and it is absolutely stunning and highly recommended. Hamilton, the city of waterfalls.